Welcome to 99 Reviews with another video, and today I am going to talk about iPhone 16 Pro Max size, which is going to be massive, and you might see larger iPhone than previous one and also larger than Samsung S24 Ultra, so let's start the video. One thing we've heard numerous times about the iPhone 16 Pro Max is that it will apparently be bigger than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with a massive sounding 6.9-inch display in place of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 6.7-inch one. That would make it one of the largest screened phones on the planet, beating even the 6.8-inch Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But in practice, this size bump might not make much difference. Twitter user @ZoneOfTech, via Margin Boo and 9to5Mac, has shared photos of an iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy unit alongside the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so you can see clearly how these two phones compare. And when it comes to their sizes, there's not much in it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy unit is noticeably bigger, but by such a small amount that it's unlikely to feel much different in the hand or to have much impact on how big the screen feels. That's arguably a good thing, since the iPhone 15 Pro Max is already a large phone, and we're not sure people have been crying out for a vastly bigger model. In fact, there's a good chance Apple is only increasing the size at all so that it can better differentiate the Pro Max from the iPhone 16 Plus, which is expected to have a 6.7-inch screen. Of course, we'd take these images with a pinch of salt, especially as the source doesn't have much of a track record. But dummy units like this are often made by accessory manufacturers to help them craft cases and other accessories before the phone is launched, so they do tend to be accurate. We should find out exactly how much bigger the iPhone 16 Pro Max is than the iPhone 15 Pro Max in September, as that's almost certainly when Apple will unveil this phone, alongside the standard iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, and the iPhone 16 Pro. Stay tuned to 99 reviews ahead of that though, for all the credible leaks and rumors that emerge about it. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.